Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Monday guys. I am super excited. We're going to be going into CVS and we're going to be picking up some pretty amazing deals. We have deals with Rebate rebates and we have some glitch deals as well. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome, and thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you guys are returning to my channel, guys, hello, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below, so you guys could go ahead and print it out and take it with you guys for an easy couponing trip. So that being said, I am super excited also because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're about 179 subscribers to go for that 1,000 mark. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing a small giveaway as a subscriber appreciation. Now let's head into the store and grab these deals. Let's go. A pretty awesome deal is on the OGX hair care products. These are on promotion. Buy one, get one 40% off. And when you buy two, you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. Keep in mind that this offer limit is for one. These are priced at $10.29. I'm going to go ahead and pick up these because we do have a $4 off of 15 hair care CRT. So two of these are going to be a total of $16.46. You're going to use that $4 off of 15 OGX CRT, that $3 off of 2 OGX digital coupon, and I also have this $3 off of 2 printable coupon that should glitch. You would pay $6.46 at the register, get back a $4 extra buck, and makes your final cost just $2.46 for both, or $1.23 a piece, which is a pretty awesome deal. So stay tuned and I will let you guys know if the coupons do glitch together. So let's go again for our next deal. All right, so I just want to go ahead and go over the receipt for you guys. So these are the OGX priced at $10.29 and the other one 40% off for $6.17. All right, so that is the OGX digital coupon, the $3 off, the $4 off of 15. I rolled in a $5 extra buck and a 33-cent 2% cash back. So I did pay $4.39 out of pocket, but I got back a $4 extra buck for purchasing two. So I know that coupons do glitch. They obviously do. My issue is that every time I go to self-checkout, the printable coupons do not scan for me. They never do. I don't know what I am doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it doesn't work for me. It only works for me when I use like insert paper coupons. They work perfectly. They scan, they go boop, perfectly fine. But when it comes to printable coupons, they don't want to scan. But anyway, so the glitch deal didn't work for me. So I paid $4.39 and got back a $4 extra buck, which is pretty much a pretty awesome deal. Our next deal is on the Crest Pro Health. These are in promotion. Buy two, get a $4 extra buck, and they're priced at $8.59. We do have a $3 digital coupon for this item. So go ahead and verify your CVS app. Next, we're going to go ahead and pick up this Crest 3D white. They're also part of the promotion, and these are priced at $8.59. We do have a $3 digital coupon for this item on our CVS app. So let's go ahead and grab our other items. All right, next you're going to pick up these Crest. These are priced at $3.99 and they're on promotion. Buy three, get a $5 extra buck. All right, guys. So for this deal, I saw like other YouTubers say that there was a glitch on Ibotta. So we're going to go ahead and verify that. I'm going to test it out. But let's go over the breakdown for this deal. So there is a total of $29.15 worth of products right here. We have a $3 digital coupon for the gum Detoxify, a $3 digital coupon for the Crest 3D White, and we have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon, as well as a $2 Crest digital coupon that would glitch with the $5 digital coupon. And we also have a $4 off of 20 Crest CRT. That's going to bring down your total to $12.55. But you're going to get back a $9 extra buck, and you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 cash back if the glitch does work. It's going to make your final cost free, guys, and a $1.45 moneymaker. So let's go check out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright, so I want to go ahead and explain to you the checkout process. So the first thing you guys want to go do, if you guys are going to pay at self-checkout, you are going to put in your phone number. You're going to scan one of the expensive toothpaste first. So you could scan the gum detoxify, scan the item, hit finish and pay. The $3 digital coupon will come off. Then you're going to go ahead and hit the return screen and scan the Crest 3D White Brilliance. Then hit finish and pay, and the $3 digital coupon will come off. Then you're going to go ahead and scan the regular Crest toothpaste, the ones that are priced at $3.99. Scan those, hit finish and pay, then your $5 digital coupon comes off, your $2 digital coupon comes off, and the $4 off of 20 CRT will come off. The reason why I am saying this is because you want to make sure that the $3 digital coupons come off first for the Crest Pro Health Gum Detoxify and the other Crest 3D Brilliance, because the other $5 off of 3 digital coupon is attaching to those expensive toothpaste. So you want to make sure you scan the expensive toothpaste first in order for those $3 digital coupons to come off. All right, so this is my receipt. So as you can see, these are the Crest. They're priced at $3.99. And the Crest Gum Detoxify, $8.59, and the Crest Black Charcoal, $8.59. There goes the $3 digital coupon for the Gum Detoxify, the $3 digital coupon for the Crest Black Charcoal, the $5 digital coupon for all of those three, and a $2 digital coupon that did glitch. I also had a $4 off of 20 Crest Scope CRT, which took off $4, and I rolled in a $10 extra buck. So I paid out of pocket just $2.29 for this transaction. So the glitch deal is a dead deal. So I did get back at least $2 from my Ibotta for the fancier Crest, for the Gum Detoxify and the Crest 3D White Brilliance. So this made my final cost just 29 cents for 5 tubs of toothpaste, which is amazing. So I also got back a $5 extra buck for purchasing 3 and a $4 extra buck for purchasing 2 of those Crest toothpaste. So this is perfect because I have them for my next deals. Alright, next deal is on the Neutrogena makeup remover product. So these are on promotion. Buy 3, get a $10 extra buck. They don't have the wipes in stock. As you can see, those wipes are priced at $7.29. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this makeup removers. So 3 of these is going to be a total of $17.37. We do have this $3 CRT, a $3 digital coupon, and I also have this $3 printable coupon that I printed out from the coupons.com website. So for some reason my printer got jammed and I was only able to print out 1, but hey, it's alright. So it would bring your total down to $8.37, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. It makes your final cost free, guys, and a $1.63 moneymaker. So let me just show you guys the receipt really quickly. Now let's just go over this receipt for the products. So the Neutrogena oil-free, like I mentioned, they're priced at $5.79. I did purchase 3. So these are the coupons that came off. The $3 digital manufacturer coupon and the $3 printable coupon. The printable coupon, the cashier manually had to put it in. So just keep that in mind. And I rolled in an $8 extra buck and I paid $3.58 out of pocket, but got back a $10 extra buck, guys, which is super amazing. Okay, so as you guys noticed, I'm missing another $3 coupon. So I scanned the barcode for the product, right? I scan it and the $3 CRT pops up, but I don't understand why it didn't come off my receipt. So just keep that in mind. When you're in store, maybe the cashier could refund it for you. I'm not sure, but it would have been $3 less, so I would have paid 58 cents out of pocket and got back that $10 extra buck. So we're back at home. I just wanted to lay out everything for you guys to see. These are all the items that I picked up today. So I paid out of pocket with taxes $10.26. Ibotta gave me back $2.50. So it made my final cash cost just $7.76, guys. And I still got my $23 back in extra bucks. So I rolled in about $22 in extra bucks, and I got them straight back for next week's haul, which is super amazing. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions regarding the deals, and let me know what deals are you guys excited to do the most, or what deals did you guys do. In the printable breakdown, I do have extra deals for you guys, but like I mentioned, there were so many things out of stock. There was no Tide, there was no Schick razors, there was just a lot of things out of stock. So I do have the printable breakdown for you guys, like showing you guys extra deals that I didn't mention in store because obviously they were out of stock. So I am also very grateful for you guys for tuning into this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing and blessed week. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!